Afternoon, everyone. I am Ethel Rose Tielkser. I am from Group 2. Me and Jurin will divide the topic, which entitled DepEd Order Number 8 S 2015 Policy Guidelines on Classroom Assessment for the K-12 Basic Education Program, or BEP. This is the continuation of the topic, so let's begin. First, content standards. Content standards is identify and set the essential knowledge, understanding that should be learned. So, content standard articulate an essential core of knowledge and skills that students should master. So, it also curriculum content or as part of a method of evaluation. So, in content standards, there are three primary goals of content standards. So, first, give students and teachers a clear and challenging target. Second, help focus energy and resources on the bottom line. So, bottom line of student achievement. Third, give all of us a tool for judging how well our students are learning and how well our schools are performing. Second, performance standards. Performance standards is a management approved expression of the performance there should requirements or expectation that must be met to be appraised at a particular level of performance. So in performance standards, it also describe the abilities and skills that learners are expected to demonstrate in relation to the content standards and the integration of knowledge, understanding, and skills expressed through creation, innovation, and adding value to products' performance during independent work or in collaboration with others. So, from the word performance, so performance that it it describe, demonstrate, or collaboration to others that we discuss of what knowledge understanding that we get. This grading system. First, the K to 12 BEC uses standards and competences based grading system. Second, grade will be used on the weighted row scores of the learner's summative assessments. Third, the minimum grade needed to pass a learning area is 60%, which is transmuted of 75% in the report card. So fourth, the lowest grade that can appear on the report card is 60 for quarterly grades and final grades. So what is grading system? The grading system is the process by which educators evaluate the performance of the pupils in exams or in a summative assessments. So the grading system is also one of the techniques which are used in the education system. Grading system is used in education system in order to determine the achievements of the students achieved in their respective subject or in study. So it also to do the work of the weaknesses and achieve good results. So now let's proceed on how is learner progress recorded and computed. So for kindergarten, checklist and anecdotal records are used instead of numerical grades. So through checklist, the teachers are able to indicate whether or not the child can demonstrate knowledge or perform the test. So through anecdotal records or narrative reports, teachers can able to describe learners' behavior, attitude, and efforts in school work. So now teachers keep a portfolio for each learner which contains learners' output such as writing samples, activity sheet, and artwork for grade 1 to 12. So here's the technique on how learner progress recorded and computed. So in the grading period, this one quarterly assessment, but there should be instances for students to produce written works to demonstrate what they know and can do through performance tests. So there is no required number or written works and performance test, but this must be spread out over the quarter, can use to assess learners' skills after each unit has been taught. So now, this is the end of our topic. Thank you for listening.